The last time the U.S. Supreme Court took up a landmark case on the issue of birthright citizenship was 128 years ago. Today, in a split decision, the nation's highest court reaffirmed long-standing legal precedent on the 14th Amendment. Nearly a dozen groups stood shoulder to shoulder in downtown Los Angeles after the U.S. Supreme Court rejected President Donald Trump's efforts to restrict birthright citizenship.
Birthright citizenship is not a privilege that a president can revoke with the stroke of a pen. It is a guarantee.
Through executive order, the president argued children born to non-citizen parents who are either undocumented or have temporary permission to remain here are not eligible for citizenship. Today, he called the ruling rejecting that order too bad and suggested he'd look to Congress.
The Trump administration tried to challenge the 14th Amendment, which initially guaranteed birthright citizenship in the aftermath of slavery.
Then there's the landmark case in 1898, brought forward by Chinese-American Wong Kim Ark.
A case born right here in California. That question was settled. If you are born on this soil, you belong on this soil.
The U.S. Department of Justice posted a statement on X saying, quote, birth tourism schemes exploit immigration laws. Cecilia Wong of the ACLU, who argued the class action lawsuit before the High Court, described the president's assertions as spin and propaganda.
Trying to make this issue of so-called birth tourism, which is a minuscule portion, a fraction of 1% of all births in the United States. He says he's going after immigrants, but in fact, what he was doing affects all of us in this country.
And according to Asian Americans Advancing Justice Southern California, more than 2.6 million U.S.-born children of immigrants in California are protected by this decision. Reporting live in studio, Annabelle Munoz, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.